Hello, my respected viewers. Here is some Indian polity questions with answers. Let us start. Number 1. Who wrote the book The Story of Integration of the Indian States? Answer C. Rajagopalachari. Number 2. Who formulated the Dickey Bird Plan? Answer Lord Mountbatten. Number 3. Which British Prime Ministers sent Cripps mission to India? Answer Churchill. Number 4. What does the Article 324(2) of the Indian Constitution describe? Answer President's power to determine the number of election commissioner. Number 5. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the Indian territories? Answer Part 8. Number 6. When was the Supreme Court of India inaugurated? Answer 28th January 1950. Number 7. To whom the Lok Sabha Speaker addresses and submits his resignation? Answer Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. Number 8. What does the Article 131 of Indian Constitution deal with? Answer Original jurisdiction of Supreme Court. Number 9. Who was the first woman governor of West Bengal? Answer Poddoja Naidu. Number 10. What is the minimum age for candidate for office of the Vice President? Answer 35 years. Number 11. Constitution of India was adopted by Constituent Assembly on which date? Answer 26th November 1949. Number 12. Which parts of Constitution explicitly mentions that India is a secular state? Answer Preamble of Indian Constitution. Number 13. Which article is for protection of interest of minorities? Answer Article 29. Number 14. In which Constitutional Amendment Act Sikkim was made full-fledged state of the Union of India? Answer 36 Constitutional Amendment 1975. Number 15. As per the Constitution of India, a new All India service can be instituted with only on the initiative of which constitutional body? Answer Rajya Sabha. Who determines the qualifications which shall be requisite for appointment as members of the Finance Commission of India? Answer Parliament by an Act. Number 17. A money bill can be organized in the state legislature with the consent of whom? Answer the Governor. Number 18. In which year did the Parliament adopt the Indian Constitution? Answer 1950. Number 19. India has taken the concept of judicial review from which country's constitution? Answer United States of America. Number 20. What does Articles 50 of the Indian Constitution deal with? Answer Separation of judiciary from executive in the Constitution. Number 21. Which articles in the Constitution give provisions for the electoral system in our country? Answer Articles 324 to 329. Number 22. Who was the President of the Constituent Assembly? Answer B.R. Ambedkar. Number 23. What does Article 370 of the Indian Constitution deal with? Answer Temporary provisions for Jammu and Kashmir. 24. What has been the maximum number of candidates in the constituency in India at any election so far? Answer 1033. Number 25. Which part or provision of the Indian Constitution cannot be amended? Answer Judicial review. Number 26. The Dispute Resolution Panel has been established under which Act in India? Answer: Income Tax Act 1961. Number 27. Who recommended to add fundamental duties in the Constitution of India? Answer: Sharan Singh Committee. 28. How long an ordinary bill can be detained by the Rajya Sabha? Answer: for a maximum period of 6 months. 29. Who can alter the number of judges in the Supreme Court? Answer: the Parliament by law. Number 30. Which High Court has the largest jurisdiction in the country? Answer: Guwahati High Court. Number 31. Which type of bureaucracy exhibits a bias towards party interests? Answer: patronage bureaucracy. Number 32. Fascism believes in the application of the principle of. Answer: totalitarianism. 33. Monistic theory of sovereignty is stated by. Answer: Austin. 34. The theory of monopolistic competition has been formulated in the United States of America by. Answer: Edward Chamberlain. 35. What has enhanced its power most from the system of delegated legislation? Answer: bureaucracy. 36. The socialist thinkers favored nationalization of natural resources with a view. Answer: to avoid exploitation. 37. Which institution is a federal system is called balancing wheel of the Constitution? Answer: judiciary. 38. Who among Plato, Locke and Rousseau maintains that persons carried into the state their natural rights from the state of nature? Answer: Locke. 39. According to Marx, the dictatorship of the proletariat signifies. Answer: transitional state. 40. Lenin, Gramsci, Mao, Kautsky are Marxist thinkers. Who among them has been described as a genuine theoretician? Answer: Gramsci. 41. Who has criticized bureaucracy for creating red tapeism? Answer: Ramsay Muir. 42. Which of the following among UK, USA, India and France has the beginning of bureaucracy in the spoil system? Answer: USA. 43. Which among life, liberty, equality and property is not a natural right according to Locke? Answer: equality. 44. Locke laid the philosophical foundation of the theory of. Answer: democracy. 45. In the theory of the origin of the state, political consciousness is a factor in the. Answer: evolutionary theory. 46. Who has called political parties broker of ideas? Answer: Lowell. 47. Who said that the development of art and science has spoiled man? Answer: Rousseau. 48. The book A Theory of Justice is authored by. Answer: John Rawls. 49. The thinkers who believe that state is an association of associations are called. Answer: pluralist. 50. Which type of government among parliamentary, presidential, unitary and federal operates on the principle of collective responsibility? Answer: parliamentary. That's all for today. Hope you must subscribe the channel and click on the all notification bell so that you can get all the notifications for the next time. Thank you.